Hello friends! Today we are going to draw an alarm clock which no one likes. First, we need to draw a circle. This will be the base, the body of our alarm clock. The second step is to draw another circle. It should be slightly smaller, and this will be the clock face. Next, we need to draw another small circle in the center from which the clock hands will extend. The next step is to add the hour markers. Now, we need to give the alarm clock its legs. This is simple, just draw the parallel lines and connect them with a circle, then repeat on the other side. On top of the alarm clock, there should be bells. Again, draw the small parallel lines and connect them with a longer perpendicular line, then draw a semicircle above this line and repeat the bell on the other side. Add a decorative handle on top of the bells and a few details with strokes. Everything is ready. Now you can color it in your favorite colors.